be doing coordinated training. I understand that the manpower is less. Maybe people even go on leave, medical leave, not holiday, medical leave. Okay? There are 5 jobs going on site. There are 3 firemen and 2 safety officers. You cannot fulfill the place. Who is going to do the round? So you have to make sure, like I spoke that day, you give a handover to the working team, whoever is doing the hot work permit. Make sure that you are assessing the job, the risk of the hazard. If it is important, it is high, you have to stay there. If not, give him a handover, teach him how to use the extinguisher. Keep the extinguisher on site. Every time I come, I find out not only about fire, but about safety. We are standing at a hot work, we are standing there, but there is no extinguisher. So when the incident happens, you are now thinking, so make sure you are prepared. Always, safety is prepared. It's the others who are not prepared. So we prepare them. Okay? So make sure you assess the job situation and then move on to the next site. Otherwise you will not get to inspect the site. And if you don't get to inspect the site, there will be some leakage inside Xylo, and then all the mudirs will come and point at safety. My mudir will come and point at fire. They point at Joy. Joy will come and catch somebody who's in the zone. So you do not want to fall in such a problem like this. You want to save your site. So you take your zone, you take your area, you make sure you cover it well. You have morning between 6 to 7:30 or 8 o'clock before any hot work starts. Give that, yeah, by 6:30 or 7, they always prepare it. Okay? I always go to the mechanical department, find out where the hot work permit is, and I communicate with the safety officer. If you want to know about hot work or any maintenance going on, contact any safety officer. I always relay the message. So you do not have to go hunting anymore. Okay? We are building a system. Let us try and follow the system. Okay? There is a small channel that is started. Let's try and go through that channel. If it does not work, we will start a new channel.
But there is a problem.
Okay.
So wait. There is a problem. Okay, we start this channel, but we can't find out the channel. There is no any communication. We are all using small.
That is another thing. Okay, you have the
need a proper communication.
Yes, that is true. We have established 2 radios. Joy. We have to distribute the radios. You will get the radios. I think 12 pieces, right? 13 pieces. No. 13 new pieces. Okay. Now, when we distribute these radios are going to belong to you and not him. Okay. So 2 people, 3 shifts.
There is 3 radios. We can make it smoothly.
Say again.
If one song, 3 radios we can make it smoothly. And now there is no radio.
Okay. Say, you want to communicate, no need to get aggressive. We can communicate anyway. Okay? As I said, I was giving training. We are relying on technology to communicate. You're a Kevalite. I ask a Kerala person about another person, he will tell me which building he is.
No.
It is not so difficult.
You want the number workshop, there is no outwards. Then you pass my mobile with the site safety officer. But how
Anybody knows office number? Who knows office number? Who knows office number?
everybody knows.
What's the office number? What's the office number? What is the office number, James?
2213 2201.
2201 is Ahmad Saleh. You can remember that number.
For what?
I will tell you for what. When you dial this number, you can ask for information. I want safety officer, I want safety in charge. Inform me whether the job is on site.
Why? I have your number. Why I call
have my number?
I have your engineer Walid number.
Okay.
I have Amr's number.
According to which counts in culture should be more. You talk like that. Okay, ma'am? You talk like that. Okay. Listen to your friend, please.
Okay.
Yes, it's an extension number. How do you get to this extension number? There is a telephone in each building. Go to any building. You will find a telephone. This is unofficial. This is my private number. I call it my work number because you can contact me.
How?
This is not given by the company.
I have your Viber.
This is not given by the company.
Okay.
I'm not talking about company. Make one office with fire. Okay.
Okay.
Make one office to go.
Okay.
To coordinate the work.
Talking to be quiet.
Okay.
Because it's,
No, he has a.
he listen. No, he listen. He want to see his logo in that he used to do, and you said that this is my official. But you allow people or me myself or Imam. So we try because you don't need to duplicate two SIM in your mobile. So tell this number. If you can talk to the office number, okay. If you cannot, bring your friend. Because our position need some loyalty. يعني which mean يعني من حبك لشغلك ان انت ممكن تستخدم حاجه شخصيه عندك طالما مش هتاثر عليك للشغل. اوكي you can support لحظه ما فهموا حاجه بس. اوكي to we try to support but in case of emergency like you outside the company in your home, some people allowed an emergency team. Okay, call me in my private number anytime because we working in people safety. نحن نعمل لسلامة الآخرين. تمام؟ فبنحاول إن إحنا حتى ممكن نستعمل حتى موبايلنا